Hey guys, it's ShitRex103 here, and today we are back with more, astroneer. So, I was playing in between episodes, and I found this. And let me show you guys, where is it? I made a tunnel. I found a cave and I couldn't get out of it. So I made something to get out. Ah, it's over here. At least it should be. Oh yeah, right in here. You go on down in here, just slide till you can't no more, and then it's gonna be a split way. At least there, I think. Fudge. Can't find. Yeah, so down here. What? Down here, yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, I thought this was it. Should have been it. Oh, there it is. It goes down here, guys. Then there's a split way down there. Yeah, it's a whole cave and everything, and it's really impressive. Really cool, too. But, yeah. Hup, hup, hup. So, I don't really understand this research thing too much. Get the hang of it eventually. I'm gonna go look for more stuff right now, like new items. So I'm gonna make some more tethers. I gotta research clay, see what I can make with that. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go explore and see what kind of items I can find. I'm not going into a cave. Sounds like Minecraft music. What did I just pick up? How do I make this again? Aluminum. I know where to get aluminum. Don't know where to get the other things. Oh, dude. That's crazy. Okay. I didn't see this. I find copper and I need 2 resin to make medium storage. I can go do that. I already have 2 resin. I'm gonna go get some resin. Yeah, there's a whole bunch over here. A whole lot of resin. That's all resin, guys. All of that. At least I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, resin. Okay. No, that's organic. I got organic too. Okay, got that. Cost. 2 things of resin. Yeah, unlocked. How do I make it? I think I just go into here. Go. Oxygen, nah. Canister, no. Small storage, no. Beacon. Work light. Small printer. Tether bundle. Oxygen filters. No. Why can't I find it? What's an oxygen filter? I guess I'll look at those. But what is it? It's a consumable. Wait, what? How do I use it? What does it do? I'm gonna run away far from my tether. See what it does. Oh, that's actually really useful. Okay, what it does is it pretty much gives me infinite oxygen for, like, I think the time that it has. New thing. Yay. Never mind. If you're wondering why it says I'm Remedies, I have to share an account with my dad. What's that? I don't know if you guys can see that. I found something. Oh, there's two of them. What the heck? A Dibris. That in my. Let me put that. What can I? I'm gonna have to carry a Dibris, whatever that is. I know what that is. Wait, what is that? What do you think it is? That's another Dibris. What's a Dibris? Let me click this tether. Can't collect it. I don't care. Is that a tether? A Debris. That's just a tether, isn't it? Man, there's a lot of stuff over here. I'm gonna go over here and get this. What on earth? Another Debris. Power cell. Debris. There's a lot of Debris things. Another Debris. I'm gonna hold on to this and I'm gonna go back. I'll have to go off camera and get all these Debrises. Aren't I? Let me just put it on there. Put that on there. Oh, fudge. Work. I thought you could place like small things on here. What? Yeah, you can't. Just stop. I got it. Yeah, I'm just gonna carry the table over there. At least I think I can. I don't know if I can carry the table. Oh, I can. Okay. What this? A Debris. Oh, well, it used to be part of a table. Okay. Wait, if I carry the table, will that stay on it now? I should have known. Well, it's a free table. I can't. Get out of the way, resin. Gotta walk around the resin. This music's really good. I'm not gonna hum it, but oh, this is how it sounds like bum 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 bum. It has like a weird melody to it. This should make stuff go faster. Run, grab, no grab, drop, run, grab, and you grab it. Yeah. If you can get this down, it's literally like the easiest thing to do. You should do that with the dogs. They'll love it. Okay, yep. I don't think this... I mean, someone probably already figured this out, but like, it's It's way easier to get stuff. I gotta figure out what this Debris thing is. Guys. Why do I still keep the launch pad? What's ever gonna be on it? Launch. Wait, what? Yeah, starting platform. Air oxygen. Starting medium printer. I don't need none of those. Just gives me those. Titanium 2. Medium storage. Tall storage. What's this? If I go down. No, down. Yeah, this. What is it? Medium. Oh, that's a platform. What's this? Tractor 2 aluminum? Dude, 1 compound and 1 aluminum for a trailer and a tractor is 2 aluminum. Let's go looking for some aluminum and try and make that tractor. One sec, guys. I think if I go to a printer, I can make that medium storage that I was trying to figure out. Not that yet. Where's my printer? There it is. No, just the shelter. Where's my medium printer? My medium printer is gone. Weird. Here, let me get rid of that. Yeah, starting medium printer. Let me just put that down. Open it up. Examine. Not that I need anything from it. Okay, I thought I could get bigger, something bigger. If I go here, examine. I did. This kind of confuses me, this chamber thing. Okay. Looks like we're coming up to our limit. Let's just go out a bit more. Oh yeah, fudge. I don't know what this is. What is it? Power cells. I'll have to hold on to that. I'll look at what it is. Let's go see if we can find, what did I need? Make that. Clicking down. Not generator. That's a platform. Tractor. Aluminum. We need aluminum. I think I know what aluminum looks like. Sure, that'll be fun. Guys, I don't think I can find. Oh wait, what? Gotta run. Why is my oxygen not working? This isn't good, guys. No! Oh my gosh. Do I lose everything in my backpack? I had that energy thing. I don't know what it does. Why did these just stop working all of a sudden? Tether? Where did my... What the heck? Why did this go? This spawned. My gosh, that was weird. Ugh. Not that I lost everything. I wanted to know what that energy was. Find out later, though. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!